Hey there, tech aficionados! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of single-board computers with the incredible Raspberry Pi 4 Model B 8GB edition. Buckle up because this tiny powerhouse is about to blow your mind. First things first, let's unbox the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B 8GB and explore its key features. From its powerful quad-core Cortex-A72 CPU to the revamped GPU and USB 3.0 support, we'll cover it all. Raspberry Pi 4 brings a massive performance overhaul with its Cortex-A72 CPU architecture and a clock speed bump to 1.5 GHz. We'll discuss how this translates to real-world usage and why it's a game-changer. One of the standout features is its dual display support with micro HDMI ports. We'll talk about how you can achieve 4K resolutions and enjoy hardware video decoding up to 4K P60. Perfect for media enthusiasts and digital creators. Connectivity is king. We'll explore the variety of options like dual-band wireless LAN, Bluetooth 5.0, Gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.0, and even Power over Ethernet. This little guy has it all. The Raspberry Pi ecosystem is vast, and this board is no exception. We'll introduce you to some fantastic add-ons like the Grove Base Hat, high-quality camera module, and compatible cases to supercharge your projects. Let's dive into some real-world applications. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or professional, we'll showcase how the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B 8GB can be used in various exciting projects. In conclusion, the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B 8GB is a versatile and powerful single-board computer that's perfect for enthusiasts, makers, and creators. With its incredible performance and a thriving community, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this review and want more tech insights, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique. Share your Raspberry Pi experiences in the comments below. Until next time, Tech Explorers. For the latest tech reviews and innovations, check out our other videos on Product Critique.